History shorts are gaining a lot of popularity these days, and these two YouTube channels are literally touching up to the sky, going from 0 to 200,000 plus subscribers in a period of 6 to 7 months only. They're simply sharing captivating stories about historical figures, using the magic of AI-generated imagery to engage millions of viewers. And the exciting part? If they can do it, so can you! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to start your own similar channel using the awesome power of AI. Trust me, it's super easy. Making these videos has led to both channels earning a huge amount of money. Stella Sagis is making approximately $18,000 per month, and AI Historian is earning around $16,000 per month. Let's check out one of their videos, so you can get to know what it's all about.
How Genghis Khan's daughters made him the ultimate beast of the East. You see, Genghis Khan was an expert at using the daughter diplomacy.
I think, now you have the idea what we are talking about. To make these types of videos we need 3 things. Scripts, AI-generated images, and a deep voiceover along with some simple editing skills with Capcut. So, for scripts, simply ask the chatbot to think like a YouTube content creator. Then, for the main prompt, explain the chatbot that you would provide an example script, and based on that example script, the chatbot needs to provide you a script for your YouTube short video. Also specify, the script should be about 150 to 200 words. Now, for example script, simply go to any of the popular video like this one on Stella Sagis. Copy the video's URL and head over to DupDub website. The link is provided in the description. Use the transcription feature by pasting the video link. This will take a few seconds and your script will be ready. Once ready, simply copy the script and paste it into the example script part in ChatGPT. Don't worry, we are not copying their transcript, it's just for the reference so the chatbot can understand the writing style. You can clearly see on the screen, it has generated me an outstanding script in the way we want. By the way, you can copy this prompt from the description box below. Now as the script is ready, we need images for our script. For generating images, we would be using free AI tool called Leonardo AI. As we are making a YouTube short video, the dimensions would be 9 by 16, and the model that we would be using is Absolute Reality 1.6. For the prompt, you can copy the idea from the script and then twist it a bit according to your liking, so that it depicts the generated script. For example, for the first scene I simply wrote, the Mongol Empire, led by Kublai Khan with a fierce look on his face. You can clearly see on the screen, the tool generated outstanding character. But there is one problem, the image that is generated is in low quality. So, to upscale the image, simply avail the HD Crisp Upscale option. It will take 5 credits, but trust me, it's worth it. You can clearly see the difference. On the left side we have our low quality image, and on the right side we have our upscaled image. For other pictures, just copy-paste your idea into prompt box from the generated text and then tweak it a bit according to the scene. You can play around with the prompt and change it according to your scene. Once your images are generated, simply save them to your device. Now, our next step is to get a voiceover for our script. For that, I would be using 11 Labs, an AI text-to-speech generator. You can access it from the link given in the description box below. Simply, copy your script from ChatGPT and then paste it here in 11 Labs. Now you need to pick a deep voice that is similar to the channels I showed you earlier. For that, simply go in the settings drop-down and listen to different voices. After listening to different voices, try to choose a deep voice. Feel free to experiment and customize the voice settings in 11 Labs to match your preferences. With a variety of options at your disposal, you can fine-tune the pitch, tone, and other parameters to create a unique and personalized audio experience. Once your voice is finalized, click on Generate and your voiceover will be ready in just a few seconds. Now, with all the assets ready, we need to make our short video out of it. For that, we would be using a software called Capcut, a creative platform powered by AI that enables video editing and image design on browsers, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. First things first, import all the pictures you created in Leonardo along with the voiceovers that were generated in 11 Labs. Then, drag all your imported pictures and the voiceover into the working bar. Keep the voiceover layer below the pictures layer for that seamless blend. Now make sure you synchronize the voiceover with the images in Capcut by adjusting the duration of each picture individually on the timeline. For that, click on each image and extend its duration to align with the specified seconds. This trick ensures that our viewers stay engaged throughout the entire video. I would be skipping the synchronization part so you don't have to watch every detail. After the synchronization is perfectly done, our baseline is set and ready to go. Next, we have to make images more dynamic and visually appealing. For that, start by choosing the first image and move the playhead to the clip's beginning and click on Add Keyframe in the Position and Size section. Then, move the playhead to the clip's end. There, you can slightly enlarge the image and also shift its position. This will create a smooth zoom effect and a gradual change in position throughout the clip's duration. You can repeat this process for other pictures too, according to your own creativity and liking. Now, we have to add captions. For that, click on the Text tab, and then select Auto Captions. After that, hit Create, and in just a few moments, Capcut will analyze your voiceover and generate captions automatically. As captions are generated in long lines, we want to ensure our viewers can read them comfortably. For that, click on the caption you just generated. Then, for each line of the caption, choose the position where you'd like to split it, and press the Enter key to create two separate segments. This method breaks down the captions, making it easier for readers to follow. Now, let's make these captions visually appealing. Navigate back to the Text tab and choose your preferred fonts from the drop-down menu. Customize the font size, color, and style according to your preferences. Feel free to experiment with various fonts and sizes until you discover the ideal combination that complements your video's visual style. To make the video more appealing, you can play around with the effects, transitions, and filter options also. You can also add different sound effects according to your voiceover. The last step is to add a suitable background music. For that, simply go to Pixabay and download a royalty-free relaxing music. Once downloaded, import that file and add it in the lowest layer of working bar. Make sure to lower its volume so it doesn't sound annoying. After some fixing and tweaking, here is the ultimate result.
In the year 1274, the peaceful shores of Japan were disrupted by a looming threat, the Mongol Empire, led by Kublai Khan with dark figures on the horizon. The islanders of Tsushima stood their ground, led by local governor Sukakoni. 80 brave samurai rode forth to defend their homeland. Despite Mongol promises of peace, the samurai refused to yield, engaging in a fierce battle against overwhelming odds. The Mongols, masters of force archery, charged the beaches, their tactics foreign and overwhelming, but the samurai with their unmatched swordsmanship fought back valiantly. Samurai like Takazaki Suinaga and Kawano Mishiari emerged as heroes, their bravery inspiring their fellow warriors, and the Mongols lost the battle.
That's all for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Feel free to share your questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy creating!